Okay, so this is GetDataBack Pro. Really recommended out there. It's good. So I've added it to the software list. So I'm just going to have practice on this. I've never used it before. Well, that was quick. Whatever happened? We found some more. Wow, that was really fast. So how do you recover it? Okay, I can't figure out how to save it. Yep, it's recovering them. Okay, brilliant. That's a really good piece of software. Really fast, simple, and recovers well. It's only on level 1. See what other tools it's got on it. Has it got imaging on it? Recover, drive info, create an image, load an image, upload, drive. So yeah, pretty good. You can't set parameters of search, maybe. I don't know, I've got to have a good look for it, but that was really fast recovery there, so pretty impressive.